Alright, so when did your addiction for popcorn start?
Since I was a child. When I was born, I saw a kettle turn into popcorn. Ate it, love it, eat it, drink it, anything. Popcorn. I eat popcorn, I break out popcorn, I eat popcorn, I love it. I even shit popcorn. You know, I love popcorn. I'm from the country where I eat popcorn.
Yo, Alec, what? Just what the hell? I thought you said eating popcorn, dude.
Any kind of popcorn. Caramel popcorn, gloomy popcorn, salty popcorn, anything.
You go out of that plan. My popcorn, man. Why you gonna throw my popcorn down there, man? Speechless, huh? Speechless, man. Get your popcorn out of here.
I don't go to school. Yo, silly. We just eat popcorn down where we come from.
You don't think that you're hurting your family with your popcorn addiction?
Matter of fact, I don't think so. I think they should be eating popcorn. Popcorn's great for them.
What's up? What you doing? What's up? Wow. Give me that shit.
I don't think my popcorn addiction is hurting my family.
Get off me.
Actually, I think it's helping them, matter of fact. I think them cleaning up after my kettle is pretty well, actually.
Some good popcorn, yo.
Oh my gosh.
Over here like that.
What's up? Oh!
My popcorn.
No, stop it.
I don't ever see myself never eating popcorn or stopping. I love popcorn. I eat popcorn. I am popcorn. We are what you eat.